Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create halftone effect on images in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, open the Layer panel, and select the image layer. Then go to the Layer menu, New, and create a layer via Copy or press Ctrl+J. Hide the bottom layer. Go to the Image menu, Adjustment, and choose Desaturate or press Ctrl+Shift+U. Then create a blank layer. Go to the Edit menu, and click on Fill. And set it to 50% gray. And hit OK. Right-click on Color Layer, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now, go to the Filter menu, and then Filter Gallery. Select the halftone pattern, and use these settings. Click on this icon to add new filter, and select the torn edges. Use these settings, and hit OK. Go to the Filter menu, Distort and then Twirl. Use these settings, and hit OK. Change its blend mode to hard mix, and decrease its opacity. Create a new gradient map adjustment layer, and follow me. Hold the Shift key and select the layers. Right-click and merge layers. This is before, and this is after, and it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.